Hey, Mike here. If you're looking to get started into real estate investing and you don't necessarily know how to start or where to go, you may not have enough money saved up, you may not have it liquid in a way that you can access it to put down on a property, a home equity line of credit or a HELOC is a great way to get started. You may have been a homeowner for a while. Over time, your home value has gone up, which leaves you with some equity that you have in your home. So what you can do is talk to a bank or a lender. There's certain banks or lenders that might be more apt to help you with a home equity line of credit. And so just reach out to them and ask how about the process of getting approved. You'll probably have some sort of application. You have to put in your income numbers, and then you'll get approved up to a certain amount. And so it depends on the value of your property. Some might go up to 70%, 80%. They might have different rates depending on how high you go. And so talk to your lender, figure out kind of what those qualifications are for and how high you can go. And so this is a way that you can unlock some of the potential in your current home to be able to start an investment property. Know your numbers, right? What we're doing now is instead of having money that we've saved somewhere else, we're using the equity in our existing home. So you need to understand what's the interest rate going to be on that money that I'm using, and you have to plug that into your calculations. If you were just using cash or something to be able to put down on a property, you're not paying an interest rate on that. Because you're using a home equity line of credit, there's going to be an interest rate associated with that. So not only are you getting a loan for, let's just say, 80% of the property, the 20% that you're using to put down, you're also paying interest on. So you want to be really sharp on your numbers to make sure that you know what they are and to make sure that you're making money on this property. And so know your numbers, have somebody double check them. You have assumptions around vacancy rates, rental rates, expenses. And so run your numbers. Everybody has a different risk tolerance. And so you just want to make sure that you're smart with that so that you can unlock that potential with the equity that you have. And that gets to cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. When you're doing this, you need to make sure you have enough money coming in to be able to pay your bills. And there will be times where maybe you're doing a tenant turn, maybe you're updating the unit and you don't have income coming in. So you need to make sure that you understand the cash flow that you have, that you're not going to overextend yourself and then run out of money. And worse yet, have this ripcord that gets pulled behind you and have all these additional problems. So make sure that you understand the cash flow, you're smart with the projections that you have, and you have a bit of risk tolerance built, whatever you're comfortable with that makes sense. Because what you don't want to have happen is the market has a correction, all of a sudden property values start going down, and then you get stuck underwater. So there's a lot of people that have lost money in the past because they overextended themselves on those equity lines. So just make sure that you understand the numbers, you're comfortable with the risk tolerance that you have. However, if you do that and you do it well, it could be a good opportunity for you to be able to maximize that value of your existing home to go leverage and get an additional property, build some cash flow, and keep going from there. And after that, it's kind of like pushing a snowball down the hill. It can grow and grow and grow. So the key is just getting started, because once you have multiple properties, you keep having those mortgages paid off, values go up, that builds more and more equity. So that's the key of getting started. So that's why using a home equity line of credit might be a good option for you for getting started. If you have any questions, you want to talk more about investments, reach out to me. Go to www.investwithelite.com, investwithelite.com. We have a questionnaire that you can fill out. Gives us a little bit more information about you. We can start a conversation about how to help you reach your goals in real estate investing.